Hi, everybody. So I went to a meeting last week and they talked about two things. First, they talked about the e-syllabus that I'm going to introduce to you. And the second thing they talked about was Confer Zoom. So first, I'm going to talk to you about this area here called the e-syllabus. Now, right now, you have to go down to your settings and put that on your Canvas. But starting the middle of December and starting winter session, this is going to be automatically put in your Canvas on this list for you. And what an e-syllabus is if you click on it, it's a built-in syllabus that has all the information for your class in it already. So it has the section number, your office hours, everything that the class it has on there. It has the student learning outcomes as well. What you have to do is you have to edit it and modify it with your materials and maybe your course policies and whatever it is that you want to add. So this is how you do it. At the top it'll say syllabus, and then you click on the arrow and then you click on edit like this, and then you'll scroll down, and then all the edit buttons are these yellow buttons. So if you click on that, you can write all the information that you want, and then you can save it. And apparently, from what they told me at the meeting, that every semester you can you could forward the same syllabus over and over again, and then edit maybe your office hours or your books or whatever information. But I thought it was kind of interesting that the SLOs are on there already, and some of the course descriptions and everything. So it's like a pre-made syllabus, and it will also have all of your assignments, your course schedule on there too, so that you can edit that as well. If you go in there, you can edit your course schedule for the semester, or you can do it 1 week at a time according to what they said at the meeting. So that was the e-syllabus that you can use on your Canvas starting winter, if you're teaching winter, or spring. And then if you just want to look at it, you click on view, and then you can view. And then import is if you want to import from another syllabus that you have, you can click on import, and you can click on that, or you can type it up yourself and edit it. So that was the e-syllabus. The second feature that they talked about was Confer Zoom. And basically, if you click on quick launch, now if I put on quick launch, this video will go away because there's only one video on this computer. But if you had more than one video, you could record and have a quick launch at the same time. But the Confer Zoom, they were talking about how your students can schedule appointments with you, and then you can preset the times that you want the students to set your appointment with you, and they can have a Confer Zoom appointment with you. Or you can just go into quick launch at certain hours that you say, I'm going to do quick launch during my office hours, this and this date. And then everybody that comes on can come on and talk to you during your Confer Zoom. The question I had is, can I make an appointment for a student to see me on this? And apparently it doesn't work that way. The student has to make the appointment with the instructor. So that's the way it works, and that's Confer Zoom. So those were the two things that we talked about in the meeting about a week and a half ago. Okay?